everyone, it's Christina here. Welcome back to my kitchen. This is a place where we learn how to bake and cook together every week. This week I'm going to show you how to make a French dessert. It's called clafoutis. I've chosen raspberries for this because raspberries are one of my favorite fruits, but you can do it with any seasonal fruits of your choice. The result was really nice, very moist and very juicy and yum. I hope you guys try to make it, and if you do, don't forget to tag me. I would love to see your creations. Of course, there are pictures on my Instagram account, which is @Christina's Cuisine, and the video on YouTube will be on rapid, but I will take you to the process step by step. So if you do like what you see here today and you're not one of my subscribers yet, don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much to me, and tap the little bell, because that way you get notifications every time we put a video up. And I do hope you're okay and you're staying safe. Until next time, guys, thank you so much for watching, and go break an egg. So the ingredients for the Raspberry Clafoutis, guys, are of course raspberries. I have frozen raspberries. You can also use fresh raspberries. These are going to go on top. In this bowl here we have 120 grams of cake flour, self-raising flour, whatever you want to call it, 70 grams of granulated sugar, and a pinch of salt. We're also going to need the zest of a lemon. Lemon and raspberries go together really well. 3 eggs, 3 tablespoons of butter, which we're going to melt, and 70 milliliters of milk. The tray I'm going to use is an 8x8 inch tray, and the oven is already preheating at 180. So we're going to put the butter on the fire because it needs to be melted. We're going to start by whisking all of this together. You don't need a mixer, just use a whisk.
We can sit together, it's so beautiful, you and me. We're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go.
Supposed to bake this for about 30 minutes until it's nice and golden. Right, this should do. It's going in the oven, and I'll see you guys in 30 minutes when it's coming out. So stay tuned.